Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create viral finance videos using AI. Completely hands-off, perfect for YouTube automation in 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to generate scripts, visuals, voiceovers, and even publish videos without appearing on camera. All optimized for views, engagement, and monetization in the finance niche. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your finance niche. The finance niche is broad. For viral success, you need to narrow down your content. Popular sub-niches in 2026 include personal finance tips, stock market analysis, cryptocurrency news, investment hacks, passive income strategies, budgeting, and savings. Pro tip: pick a niche you can consistently create content for. For automation, consistency matters more than perfection. Step 2. Research trending topic. Even AI videos need relevance. Use these methods. YouTube search trends, okay? Check top performing finance videos. Google Trends, search for finance topics with rising interest. AI trend tools, platforms like Perplexity AI or Exploding Topics. Reddit or finance forums. See what questions people ask. A tip: focus on questions or problems people want solved. How to save 10K fast or best crypto apps 2026. Step 3. Generate AI scripts. You don't need to write manually. Use AI to generate scripts. You can use ChatGPT or Claude for prompt. Okay, you can use this example. Write a 5-minute YouTube video script about top 5 passive income ideas in 2026 in an engaging conversational tone for a finance audience. Okay, and just forward it. Let AI do its thing. Okay. Structure the script for hooks, values, and CTA. The hook should be the first 5 to 10 seconds. Problem solution, step-by-step tips or insight. CTA, like comment, subscribe, visit a website. Pro tip: always check AI script for accuracy in finance. Avoid false numbers or outdated advice. Step 4. Use AI voiceovers. Once the script is ready, generate professional narration. You can use 11 Labs, Murph AI, play.ht. Okay, and then all you gotta do is just paste the script. Okay, so paste the script here and then hit play. Okay, and let AI do its thing. Okay, you now have a complete voiceover for your videos. Okay, next, generate visuals or stock footage. Finance videos need visuals to stay engaging. Options: you can use AI video generators like Meta AI, Pictory, Runway, or Upsampler.com and turn text scripts into visuals automatically. You can use stock footage. Use free sources like Pixabay, right? Or Pixels to just take from a stock footage, etc. Okay? AI graphics, pixelbin.io or Canva AI for charts, graphs, and animations. Okay. Pro tip: vertical and horizontal formats both work, but reels and shorts get higher viral potential. Alright. Step 6. Assemble the video. Use a simple editor like CapCut for free trimming and basically stock footage. Okay. Descript for AI-driven editing, voice sync, Canva video. You can add overlays, animations, and captions. Okay, you import visuals in voiceovers, sync voice with clips, add transitions or effects, include captions. Finance content often perform better with captions. So you can add also background music, which is optional. Now you have a complete AI-generated finance video. Step 7. Optimize for YouTube SEO. Okay, for viral results, add a title like keyword-rich, clickable example like top 5 passive income ideas that will work in 2026. Description includes summary to timestamps, links, and CTA. Add relevant finance keywords. Thumbnails, hashtags like hashtag finance tips, passive income, investing 2026. Pro tip: AI can generate thumbnail variation for testing. And you just schedule uploads for consistency. Use YouTube Studio automation tools or TubeBuddy. Post at times your audience is active. Engage in the first 2 to 3 hours. Comment replies help boost reach. Automation ensures your channel grows without manual uploads every day. AI can't replace performance tracking, so check analysis, see what resonates, and replicate success. Make 2 to 3 similar videos for trending topics. So, pro tip, in 2026, AI tools like VidIQ or Perplexity AI can suggest next trending topics automatically. And once one video performs, batch generate scripts for 5 to 10 videos at a time. Batch generate voiceovers and visuals. Schedule videos over a month. Use analytics to continuously improve hooks and thumbnails. The goal is fully automated content creation while maintaining quality. Avoid ignoring SEO, overloading AI, copying outdated finance info, ignoring captions, not testing thumbnails. So, research trending finance topics, generate AI scripts with ChatGPT, produce voiceovers with Murph or 11 Labs, generate visuals or use stock or AI clips, assemble in Descript, Canva, or Capcom, optimize title, subscription, tags, and thumbnail, upload and schedule, and monitor analytics and iterate. So AI makes finance YouTube create automation possible for beginners in 2026. But success comes from picking trending topics, using AI reasonably for scripts, optimizing thumbnails and titles, monitoring performance, and iterating. With this workflow, you can build a fully automated finance channel, generate viral content, and potentially monetize it without being on camera. So share this with a friend, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Love.